The following tutorial describes how to speed up your lab orders process through less required input. Let's begin. With this release, we've significantly reduced the number of mandatory fields, making the steps to fill out the ordering template faster and more intuitive. Let's look at the ordering template for restorations. This order template previously required several mandatory entries, now requires just 4. And that's not it. All of them can be automatically filled. Another example is night guards, where we have removed 5 mandatory inputs. And custom abutments, previously one of the most complex forms with many mandatory inputs, now only require 9 with auto-fill tooth numbers, scan files, and soon the automatic scan body detection will further pre-fill this template, reducing manual efforts even further. Let's now look at another order template that has been updated beyond the mandatory field optimization. We have harmonized the denture ordering experience by summarizing all types of denture applications in the denture order template. When selecting dentures, all possible types as optional selection. To speed up the ordering process, the following components are pre-filled based on commonly used presets. Exclude third molars and design and manufacture denture. Additional optional fields are available, such as tooth shade, gingiva shade, and occlusal guidance. Extra files like reference images or additional scans can be added if needed. Instructions to the lab can be entered in the free text field. For example, please use the same setup as previous case. The preferred lab is selected and the return date must be set. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about Nudi's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.